All right, what a storm moving through. Most of the day we were looking at big fluffy flakes coming down.
Pretty.
And I'm pretty sure I hear rain now.
Yes, correct.
Okay, great.
It's funny because I was never really nervous about this storm. Like, I saw it was snowing earlier. I was like, okay, we're going to get our less than 1 inch quickly. And then here we are with the rain. But inland, it's going to be a battle. So they're going to see snow for a while. And the mountains might actually do okay. Every one of these storms, this has been a bad season for them. They know that, right? But every storm that could be an absolute disaster trends a little colder at the end for them, and it works a little better. So that's what we're going to see here, too. I'll show you in a second. But look at Freiburg. You know, I've been talking about Freiburg, 24, 25 degrees. We got a while to go. And yes, it can rain at 30. If it's warm aloft, that's what happens. And some of this is being indicated as freezing rain, but I poked my head outside, and it's just rain, from what I could tell out there, and the surface temperatures are just warm enough that that's the case. There's the bulk of the precipitation. It's all trying to close back in. And so for a lot of us, especially along the coast, the rest of this is degrees of raininess. So how heavy is the rain going to be tonight? Inland, as we've discussed in depth, there'll be a fight. It's called cold air damming. When the cold air comes down, it kind of banks up against the terrain, and that makes it harder to scour out. And I think the mesoscale, small scale models are doing a pretty good job with this so far. So it has us in the upper 30s along the coast through the evening into the low 40s, and there's some heavy downpours, some gusty winds, not enough that we'll see power outages, I don't believe. But then the snow is in the mountains and foothills tomorrow morning, 2 a.m., 3, 4, and then by 7, it's really just northern Maine. Now, one thing I think this model might be missing is above, say, 3,000 to 3,500 feet, there's probably sleet going on, not rain. And then at the base of the mountains into the valleys, there'll be rain. Along the coast, not even close, in the 50s with rain and still some gusty winds through the day Friday. Clearing out Friday afternoon, actually decent Friday afternoon. Temperatures stay mild, but the rain is done. So ultimately, this map still looks pretty good to me. 3 to 6 inches stretching down south of Freiburg here into northwest parts of York County. Less than an inch, we're done with snow along the coast, so what you see is what you get. And then 6 to 10 plus, like northern Aroostook County could have well more than a foot of snow, but we didn't want to make a ton of little gradients in there. So watch this. This is funny. This is the storm coming through today, okay? Watch the low that develops along that front. It tries to back in a little bit on Sunday, so I put some snow showers in on Sunday afternoon over down East Maine, and then it comes back again on Monday night and Tuesday. So this low is trying to visit Maine several times, which is, I get it. It's a nice state. So the snow showers on Sunday, I don't think it's a big deal here. Monday night into Tuesday over down east and northern Maine, maybe even into the mid-coast, could be accumulating snow. I'm just not certain about the exact path yet, so just keep an eye on that, or I'll do it for you. How about that? And then we'll be in the low 40s Tuesday, Wednesday. So nothing brutally cold, and we're getting into late January is statistically the coldest part of the year, and I don't see anything all that cold.
Wild. Keith, thank you.